You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names. We'll be looking at how to say more confusing French names that too many people do mispronounce. Stay tuned to the channel to learn more. In French it's said as Gaston. Gaston. So it's not that the N is silent, but O-N together form this on sound that doesn't really include an N. I know in English most people say it as Gaston, Gaston. In French, Gaston, Gaston, on is that very sound from the nose. Gaston, Gaston, you could say in English, Gaston. It's easy, and now you know. Did you get this? Let us know in the comments. More videos for you here to learn more. See you there. Thanks for watching. Merci. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.